Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Heroku for web app hosting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Heroku for web app hosting, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Heroku website at www.heroku.com. Once the page loads, click on the Sign Up button located in the upper right corner. You will be redirected to the Sign Up page. Here, you will see fields to enter your email address and password. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Next, fill in the required information about your name and company. Select your country from the provided drop-down menu. Once all fields are filled, click on the Create Free Account button. You will then receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. This action will direct you back to the Heroku website. You may be prompted to log in again using your email and password. After logging in, you will be taken to the Heroku dashboard. From here, you can explore various options for deploying your web app. Click on the Create New App button to start your first project. Enter a unique name for your app that adheres to Heroku's naming guidelines. Choose the appropriate region for your app deployment. Hit the Create App button to finalize the process. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to host your web app on Heroku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.